Hey guys, welcome back to the channel and hello from Frankfurt. Today traveling to Oslo with Lufthansa Airbus A320 in business class. Seat is 1A, so I think it's gonna be a nice one. Let's go and check it out. Here we are inside Terminal 1. Departure gate will be A26, flight time 1 hour and 45 minutes. But before that, let's take a look into the Lufthansa Business Lounge.
Ladies and gentlemen, this flight is a non-smoking flight, and in preparation for takeoff, please put the backrest of your seat into an upright position. Pull back the tray table in front of you, and please be so kind as to open the window blinds. You're required by law to observe all signs and to follow the instructions from the crew. Thank you. seat into an upright position. Pull back the tray table in front of you and please be so kind as to open the window blinds. Thank you. Staufächer über Ihren Sitzen bitte vorsichtig, damit keine Gegenstände herausfallen können. Und schauen Sie nochmals in die Sitztaschen und Staufächer, um sicherzugehen, dass Sie keine persönlichen Gegenstände oder Wertsachen vergessen haben. Wir wünschen Ihnen jetzt einen Welcome to Oslo Airport, ladies and gentlemen. Please remember to keep your seatbelt fastened until the seatbelt signs have been switched off. Flight Captain Fett and the entire crew would like to thank you for having chosen to travel with Lufthansa and the Star Alliance. We hope you did enjoy your flight. Once we've parked at our stand, please take care when you open the overhead bins as items may have shifted and could fall out. Please also check your seat pocket and overhead bins to make sure that you do not forget any personal items or valuables. We now wish you a pleasant evening here in Oslo, or of course a comfortable and safe onward journey. Thank you once again and goodbye.
Welcome to Oslo. I hope you enjoyed the flight. If yes, you might want to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, guys. See you next time. Cheers.